All right, so the crypto market has bounced back pretty significantly over the last couple of days, and we're seeing XRP make some pretty big moves that could make it go to $10 per coin. And if we're looking at what's going on in the overall market, we can see that Bitcoin is back right around $98,000 per coin. And if we're looking at XRP, it's currently trading at $2.70. And right now, in terms of Bitcoin at technicals, we can see that Bitcoin is just hovering just below that key resistance of $100,000 per coin. And if we can see a daily close above this level, well, then I think it is very, very likely that we will see new all-time record highs very soon, because we would have this nice pattern forming where we have been in this range for quite a while. We would see higher lows and higher highs. You could see we had a high right around December 16th. We had another high made on January 20th, and we've seen lows along the way, but the lows are getting higher and the highs are also getting higher. So this is a very bullish setup. In addition to this, if we're looking at what's going on with XRP, there's been some pretty big moves. I wanted to quickly interrupt today's video to bring a word from our channel partner, Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a longtime channel partner, and I want to talk about their earn feature, because with Crypto.com earn, you can go ahead and stake your crypto and earn rewards effortlessly. So whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, CRO, or a number of other projects, this feature lets you put your assets to work while keeping full control over your funds. And here's the best part. Right now, Crypto.com is offering up to $50 in CRO bonuses when you sign up and complete a few simple steps. You, one, have to go about making your first trade of at least $100 and you'll earn $10 in CRO. And the second is that you need to make a deposit of at least $50 in fiat and use it to trade, and you'll earn another $15 in CRO. So that's $25 in free crypto just for getting started. And if you want to go ahead and maximize your earnings, you can take those rewards and stake them in Crypto.com earn to start generating even more passive income. So it's a win-win. You get free crypto for signing up and trading, and you can earn rewards just by letting your crypto work for you in the Crypto.com earn section. So if you're thinking about getting into crypto, you're looking at generating some more income from your holdings, this is a very unique feature that they offer. So definitely worth checking out, and let's get back to the program. And right now, XRP is trading around $2.70 per token. But in terms of XRP, we have seen that Brazil has officially come out and says that they have approved the world's first spot XRP ETF. And this is something that is a major, major milestone, because they're expected to launch the world's first spot XRP ETF after this recent approval. And it was with Brazil's Security and Exchange Commission when they gave green light to the NASDAQ XRP index fund. And so this is something that's going to be very important, because we've seen a wide number of spot XRP ETF applications in the US, and they're currently under review. We've seen that the SEC in the US has acknowledged a series of XRP ETF filings from 21 shares, Bitwise, Grayscale, CoinShares, and others. And now we've also seen spot ETF applications for other altcoins like Solana and Litecoin and even Dogecoin in the US. So now I think that we have seen an Bitcoin ETF approved first, then an Ethereum ETF approved. I think it's just a matter of time before we see an XRP ETF approved in the US, because we've seen it now approved in Brazil. We've seen a lot of exciting developments for XRP. There's been a lot of legal battles that have turned very positive for XRP in the US. So everything is just lining up to see XRP have the next ETF approval in the US. And this would bring a massive amount of capital into XRP, pushing it to potentially new all-time record highs, as it did, surpass that $3 per token earlier this year. I'm expecting that with the launch of a spot XRP ETF and with the hype leading up to one, we could see this project go to well above $5 per token, even closer to $10 per token, because if we're looking at top analysts are predicting that there's an 81% chance of an XRP ETF approval within the next year. They said it would not only drive institutional demand, but also validate XRP is not an illegal security. And you can see that the SEC has already approved, like I said, that Ethereum ETF, and it's really opened the floodgates for other altcoins to see approvals as well. So this is according to many top analysts that they think there is a very high probability that we are going to see an XRP ETF approved in the US fairly soon. Last thing I do want to go over is in terms of the overall state of the market. We've seen that Bitcoin dominance has been reaching new highs. Like we're at around 59% Bitcoin dominance. You can see that over on CoinMarketCap. You can see it's actually over 60% Bitcoin dominance right now. And this is important because whenever we see Bitcoin dominance get this high, it usually means that altcoin season is about to start. And while many people are saying, yeah, we're already in a bull market, we've been in a bull market for quite a while, I would say that's not really the case because 24% of the top 200 cryptos are at a one-year low. And a lot of analysts are saying, look, with nearly a quarter of the 200 largest cryptocurrencies at their lowest price levels in over a year, right now could be a time for market capitulation, and we could see prices rebound very soon because with the recent liquidation that happened back on February 7th, we've seen a lot of these top altcoins hit really, really low prices. Like, for example, one in particular that I own is Core. Core, its price has dropped significantly. It's currently right around 51 cents per token. I bought it on its dip. I got a little bit more at around 47 cents per token. But this project not too long ago, even a month ago, was close to $1 per token. We've seen that Chain GPT, another project that we talk about a lot on the channel, not too long ago, was just at like about a month ago, was around 30 cents per token at the time. Now it's around 12.5 cents. And this is the story for many of the top altcoins in the crypto space. So this could be seen as a good sign because with the recent liquidations that have happened, with positive momentum forming for Bitcoin, it could be very likely that we could see a turnaround in the market. We could see altcoins start to rally again and start seeing a push higher. So right now, there's a lot of exciting things taking place. The one major catalyst that could push us into an all-out altcoin season, see new record high prices for Bitcoin, could be that Bitcoin reserve that Trump has talked about a lot. So if we were to see that announced, that would just propel us to all-time record highs because it would bring in not only the US into holding Bitcoin, but also would bring more institutions into play. It would bring other countries to do the same thing. This could be the major catalyst that we need to propel us to those all-time record highs and really kick off altcoin season. So these are important things you need to be aware of right now if you're an investor, and really there's a lot of exciting stuff to keep an eye out on.